Minister for Minorities Welfare ZameerAhmedKhan made an official visit to Haj Bhavan where a tragic fire incident took place. During his visit, he met with authorities and gathered essential information. Addressing the situation, Minister ZameerAhmedKhan assured the public that a thorough investigation will be launched into the circumstances surrounding the fire disaster. Following discussions with the Chief Minister, a plan of action is set to be executed to restore the damaged auditorium and library, both of which were affected by the fire. Repair work is slated to commence without delay. This visit by Minister ZameerAhmedKhan demonstrates the government's commitment to addressing the aftermath of the tragic incident and ensuring the swift rehabilitation of the affected facilities.
सर इकडे बंडे
Further updates on the investigation and restoration efforts will be provided as they are developed. For latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.